Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 1.3 question number 6. A certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees centigrade at the rate of 5 degrees centigrade every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? Let us solve this problem in this way. That is, initial temperature initial temperature initial temperature is equal to 40 degree centigrade. 40 degree centigrade, right? And be lowered from 40 degree centigrade at the rate of 5 degree centigrade every hour. In 1 hour, temperature change in temperature is, right, here you see lowering. Lowered means minus and raise means plus. If there is a raise in temperature here, if we read a number line here, this is 0, this is 5, this is 10, this is minus 5, this is minus 10, right. Here you see after 0 degree centigrade, this is degree centigrade, 10 degree, 5 degree, that is if you raise the temperature it will be plus, and if you lower the temperature from 0 that will be minus, that is minus. That means lowering temperature can be treated as minus and raising of temperature can be treated as plus. Therefore, you can say it as, since this is the lowering temperature, this is minus 5 degree centigrade. Minus 5 degree centigrade, right? Because this is lowering of temperature is taken as minus and the raising of temperature is plus, right? Therefore, in 10 hours, change in temperature is equal to minus 5 into 10 degree centigrade. That comes to minus 50 degree centigrade. 50 degree centigrade, right? Therefore, what will be the temperature after 10 hours after the process begins? Therefore, after 10 hours, the temperature will be first it was 40 degree centigrade plus minus 50 degree centigrade, Now here you see that is 40 degree centigrade plus into minus is minus 50 degree centigrade. That is equal to 40 minus 50, that is equal to minus 10 degree centigrade. This is the answer. Again you see, once we will be repeating once again, that is initial temperature was 40 degree centigrade. In 1 hour change in temperature is minus 5 degree centigrade. Why? Because here if we take a number line, it is 0. If you raise the temperature, it will be plus 5, plus 10, plus 15. And if you lower the temperature, it will be minus sign. That is minus 5, minus 10. Therefore, this is lowering in temperature. Therefore, this will be minus 5 degrees centigrade. Right? That is minus 5 into after 10 hours, it will be minus 5 into 10. That is minus 50 degrees centigrade. Therefore, after 10 hours, the temperature will be 40 degrees centigrade plus in bracket minus 50 degrees centigrade, that is 40 degrees centigrade minus 50 degrees centigrade, that comes to minus 10 degrees centigrade. Therefore, the room temperature will be 10 degrees centigrade minus 10 degrees centigrade after 10 hours. This is the solution of question number 6 of exercise 1.3. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.